Under the JLP, net foreign direct investment has plummeted from $926.5 million in 2015 to $373.5 million in 2023, a whopping 59.3% reduction in 8 years. A direct consequence of revenue leaks, graft, and investment distrust. The Integrity Commission, once praised by the Prime Minister as a beacon of accountability, is now under assault by various members of the Cabinet and others on the government side. These blatant conflicting signals and actions cannot give confidence to investors, foreign or local, whether micro, small, medium, or large. This glaring evidence of hypocrisy deepens dishonesty and distrust, which are potent ingredients in undermining all sincere efforts at building a secure and just society. The JLP government, all-out assault on accountability, betrays every Jamaican who deserves honest governance and to have a government that they trust.